Here's how to add fonts from your computer into Figma. So the way to get your fonts into Figma is going to be different whether you're using the Figma desktop app or you're using it on your web browser. Alright, so if you want to get fonts on the Figma desktop app, you need to first make sure that the fonts you want are installed properly on your computer. So you got to click the TTF or the OTF files and install them. And now back in Figma, you want to make sure that the text tool is selected. And then under text here at the side, you're going to see a name right here, and that's going to be the name of the font you're currently using. So the one I'm using is Outfit, but I want to change that to one I installed. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to click on All Fonts right here. And then you want to come down to the bottom and click on Installed by You. And now here you should see all your installed fonts. Now if you want to add fonts to Figma on your web browser, there's an extra step you have to take. You want to come to figma.com/downloads, and then all the way over to the right, you want to download the font installer for either Mac OS or Windows, whatever you're using. Once you have it installed, you can then go ahead and reload your Figma projects, and then you can go ahead and change your font the way I just showed you before. So that's pretty much it. If this video ended up helping you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.